Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your computer so it can boot from a CD, DVD, or even a thumb drive. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm running Windows 7 in a virtual machine in VMware, and I'm going to simulate a CD drive. So we already have it here as CD drive D, which is my physical drive on my computer, and you can see that I do have a Ubuntu CD in it. So right now Windows 7 isn't configured to boot off a CD, so it's just going to do your regular boot up. So this is the problem we're facing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, power down the machine, and show you how to fix this problem. Okay, so now that we have the machine powered down, we're going to go ahead and configure the BIOS of the computer. So depending on the model, my Sony Vaio laptop here, I can enter the BIOS with F2, but your computer may be F1, F3, or delete. They all vary, so you'll have to do a little trial and error or Google how to access the BIOS of your machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to power this machine on, and we're going to just keep tapping F2. Okay, as you see, we've entered the BIOS utility. So we're going to scroll over to boot. Okay, so in here, with the plus or minus key on your keyboard, we can move things up or down, as you can see here. So what we want is the CD-ROM at the top, which is going to check the CD-ROM first, and then it's going to check the hard drive, and then it will check any removable devices as like a thumb drive or whatnot. Now if you want to boot off a thumb drive, you may want to put that above your hard drive so it checks the USB ports first, and then and so on. So depending on what you want to do, you could configure these in the list of how you want to go about doing it. And then after you're done that, you want to scroll over to exit, and we'll exit with savings. Yes. And remember how we have the CD drive configured on the virtual machine. So now what it's going to do is it's going to read the CD that's in my machine and boot off that. So here you can see that Ubuntu is now starting to load instead of the Windows 7 machine. So you've successfully configured your BIOS to boot off CD